Hello, welcome back to Every Problem. This is Stewart, Calculus 8th edition, section 1.4, problem number 16. For 16, we're supposed to make a rough sketch of the graph. We're not supposed to use a calculator, and we're not exactly supposed to plot several points and then connect all the dots. What they want us to do is take a look at the function and see if we can figure out the general shape of the graph. So here we have y equals 2 times the quantity 1 minus e to the x. Let's go ahead and start by sketching a graph of the parent function. That can make this a lot easier to do. So we have y equals b to the x being the parent function. B to the x will have an asymptote at the line y equals 0, and it will have an intercept at 0, 1. When b is greater than 0, not 0, sorry. When b is greater than 1, it will have the general shape like that. And it grows very fast on this side. So, okay. Now what we have here is we have y equals 2 times 1 minus e to the x. So let's go ahead and distribute this 2 in. So we have y equals 2 minus 2e to the x. Next thing I want to do is I want to rearrange it and get this portion with our variable on the left side. It usually just makes it a little bit cleaner. I like to try to organize the functions that way, so we're not doing anything to change the function. All we're doing is moving the numbers. So now we have y equals negative 2e to the x plus 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and just draw the first rough outline of our graph. This plus 2 means that we are going to have an asymptote at the line y equals 2. What happens if we plug in 0 for x? If we plug in 0 here, it looks like we'll get 0 as well, or negative 2, yeah. Because e to the 0 will give us 1, times negative 2 will give us negative 2, plus 2 gives us 0. So we do have the point 0, 0. And the rest is going to be a little ambiguous. If we plugged in 1, we would get some negative 2 to the e, or 2 times e. It would get a little messy. So anyways, we've got that point. And now, in general, when we have y equals b to the x and everything's positive, the graph looks as we drew there. But if it was negative, well, then we would shift everything the other way, and it would go more like that. So that's going to be the shape of this graph, because we have negative 2 e to the x plus 2. And it's going to grow pretty quickly because of this negative 2 here. It's going to make the function grow very fast. So it's going to be something like this. And yeah, that's it for this